So good afternoon on this blustery day, and welcome to the dedication ceremony for the Graham Center for Innovation and Collaboration. The dedication of the Graham Center is a transformational moment at Penn State York. We look forward to seeing the Graham Center assume its role as a primary meeting place for students to innovate and to collaborate with one another, with faculty members, and with corporate partners on projects that address our community needs.
As a Graham candidate and the current student body president of the Penn State York campus, I'm honored to be here on such a momentous occasion. I just want to thank everyone involved in making this a reality. Thank you to all the donors and everyone in attendance today. As the student government president, I'm truly excited for the new opportunities this building creates for the students at Penn State York.
And it is now my honor to call to the podium the 18th president of Penn State University, Dr. Eric Barron.
When you see this building and what it represents, it's even more exciting to cut that ribbon.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
I think it's difficult to collaborate in your closet. Having a facility which will be a home for the Graham Fellows, but more than that, an innovation and collaboration center that can reach, hopefully, across the whole campus and even broader than the campus into the community, including faculty, it is a necessity if you're going to really maximize what the university could do here and differentiating itself through this program.
The Graham Center for Innovation and Collaboration is going to create a space for our students to engage not only with the faculty and staff of our campus, but also our local community partners as well.
For the students at Penn State York to have a center that promotes innovation and collaboration is incredible for their learning, and they're working together and having their own space that they can call their own and really feel proud of this space and allowing the community to come in and other entrepreneurs around the community to come in to help them achieve their goals.
We used to see the students sitting in the rancher off of the street at the main part of campus here, and now they've got this whole space and all this technology and the whiteboards and the different seating combinations that can allow them to spend time to collaborate and challenge each other, learn from each other, and spend time solving, and innovating where the world's going to go next. It's really exciting.
It's a very large physical presence on campus. It's a perfect facility for learning, getting together, collaborating, just like in the name. I think it's going to go a long way to basically being a beacon for students on campus.
It's lovely. I have had such a wonderful time touring it and walking through and seeing all the wonderful places that students have to learn and to study together. I'm really looking forward to what this will mean to the campus and the students.
It's a huge statement piece. It's no longer word of mouth. Hey, this is the Graham Center. They can really help you. It's a giant, beautiful building in the middle of our campus that says, we are the Graham Center. You're welcome to come here. You're welcome to partake in it. It's very open, and it's a great place for students to come.
Without the Graham program in my time at Penn State York, I wouldn't be where I am today. So a huge thank you to everyone who had a piece, whether it was a construction worker or a donor. A huge thank you, and we're really appreciative for everything that you've done.
They have classes in here, you have spaces for meetings, you have green space around here. I think it's great. It has a little bit of everything for anything.
Amazing to see that it's exactly what we'd hoped for. And it was also encouraging to see that things were kind of on our future wish list are already here. It's as complete as I thought it could ever be. It's great.
I think we've just really begun. And I truly do believe that the center here will allow and prosper in ways that we don't even necessarily conceive today. We didn't conceive this where we are today 10 years ago, and I don't think we can conceive today what we'll be 10 years from now.